Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be in a good mood and sound health. From 5th of April 2021, the physical class mode has been suspended because of increase in COVID-19 cases. Dear students, you have to remain inside your homes, restrict your movement outside, and follow all SOPs in letter and spirit so that this deadly virus can't catch you. By remaining in home isolation, you can attach yourselves with books, and books are the friends, and at the end of the day, you will learn the things well. Dear students of class 12th, subject English, today we are dealing with very important poem in your textbook, that is Keeping Quiet. Dear students, this poem is authored by, written by Chilean poet Pablo Neruda, and he was awarded Nobel Prize for Literature in 1971. As the title of the poem is Keeping Quiet, the poem educates here to count numbers from 1 to 12. This is the span of the time, hours of the day, and stop your activities, remain silent for some time to introspect and understand the relations of ours with the rest of the world, and by which you can build a harmonious world around. Dear students, in this poem, he asks us all to stop your activities for some time and have examination, observation, introspection, so that when you remain silent, you will understand the world around you, and your inactive mode will bring calm and calmness around us. He asks fishermen to stop your activities for a day, and when you stop your activities for a day, you can't harm the whales. And similarly, the salt pickers, when would, would stop their activities, they can't harm their hands. And in the poem, he asks us not to speak because people around us speak different languages, and languages create barriers. So, in this poem, he wants us to convey the three things: first, analysis, then, introspect, and thirdly, by introspecting, we reach to the peace. So, three things are mentioned in the poem mainly. One is you have to analyze yourself first, then you have to introspect, and ultimately, by introspecting, we will understand ourselves and the world around us, and finally, we will bring peace in the world. Let me repeat the things. Keeping Quiet is a poem written by Pablo Neruda. In this poem, in the first stanza, he asks people, he educates that count numbers 1 to 12. That means it is the span of time, and remain quiet. Keep remain quiet and silent for some time, and then introspect. And by introspecting, understand the relations well, and when you understand the relations well, you will reach to the platform where it would be peace. He asks fishermen to stop your activities for a few minutes, and by this you can't harm whales. He also asks salt pickers stop your activity for a few minutes or for a day, and you can't harm your hands. And then he asks all people not speak languages because languages create barriers. And when you remain quiet, silent, and in the silent mode or in the isolation without any activity, you will introspect, and by introspecting you will understand the relations, and when you understand the relations you will ultimately reach to the peace, and which is the ultimate aim of the poem. Dear students, in first stanza he says you have to count numbers from 1 to 12, and you have to remain keep quiet during this span of time. You have not speak any language because languages create barriers, and he addresses to many people like fishermen, like salt pickers to stop your activity for a few minutes, for a few hours, and when you stop every activity, mm, like salt picking, like catching fish, you can't harm anybody. And one more message in the poem is that you should not use your hands because your actions harm the others. When we remain quiet during the day, and you will spend this time in introspection, and you will reach to strangeness, and this strangeness has never touched you before, and by this introspection and strangeness that will strike your mind, you will reach the peace of mind, the peace, and you will bring a peace platform around, and this is the crux of the poem. Dear students, so keeping quiet is the poem written by Pablo Neruda. In this poem, he asks everybody to remain silent for a day and stop your activities. Don't speak languages because languages create barriers, and even don't move your hands and legs, and stop your all activities. And when you stop your all activities, you remain silent, and in the silence you introspect and re-introspect and then understand the relations. And when you understand the relations around, you will reach the peaceful world, harmonious world, which he wants to convey in this poem. Dear students, hope you have grasped the theme of the poem. In case of any confusion that may strike your mind after watching this video, you can call me on 7006671106 or WhatsApp me on the same number. And when you forward your query by any means, by calling, by WhatsApping, within short duration of time, your query or confusion shall be cleared. Dear students, but the important thing is that you have to see these things on your available English textbook and a reference book to grasp the things well. And you have to read there between the lines, and you have to see the poem on your textbook so that you can grasp the theme well. Dear students, now the schools are off. Physical mode has been suspended. Better is to remain busy with the books in isolation so that this deadly virus can't catch you, and ultimately you will benefit yourself when you will remain attached to the books with the books. Thanks. Be blessed.